What board meant for us was a total game changer. All of the planning was done locally in these 40 European entities, and it was all based in Excel. So another problem that the entities had when everything was in Excel was controlling the entire planning process. Which pieces of the plan have been completed and are ready for review? Which ones are work in progress? Which pieces of the plan haven't even been started? The beauty of board is that it gives the countries total flexibility on who plans what. We serve over 150,000 customers that span a wide array of sizes and sectors, and we have presence in more than 100 countries. That is approximately 283,000 planning points that board needs to be able to manage for each version. So there's a very clear before and after. We started working with board, we had a very personalized system where everything was done automatically. Board is easy, it's flexible. We actually have the entire board software coded and controlled by two co-workers, and they're actually two co-workers sitting in the finance area. They are not IT programmers. The code that board uses is very easy to learn and very easy to code. Like I said, you don't need to be an IT expert on software languages to code it. Board has definitely empowered us to drive efficiency and innovation across our financial systems. And our experience with board has definitely been a game changer.